How to make trifold brochure in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to make trifold brochure in Microsoft Word. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Microsoft Word on your PC or laptop and you need to simply go to the Layout tab at top right corner of the screen. Under the page setup, click Orientation and you need to select Landscape. After that, click Columns at Page Setup section. Choose More Columns option and in the columns, you need to select 3 under Present and then you need to simply check the box for line between and click on OK button. And you can see that your brochure of trifold has already been created on Microsoft Word. So to enhance your brochure, you can click the page color in the page background section and easily you can simply select field effects, go to texture tab and pick a texture. Click OK to apply and customize the font size and type and order formatting as needed. So in this way, you can easily create trifold brochure on Microsoft Word. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.